the 11th of June, my name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. Let's start with Axiory's technical outlook for the euro-dollar. Euro-dollar is now trading near resistance R2, and if it holds above momentum will soon break above this level, focusing on R3 resistance. But sustained fall will retest former resistance R1, and decline below this level will be indicated downward move. Based on the conclusions for each indicator, we're expecting a bullish trend. After that, according to the outlook for the dollar-yen, if price holds above daily pivot, we could rebound and focus on resistance R1. But on the downside, fall below daily pivot will be indicating downward move and target will be S1 support, where price will retest a previous low. Further fall towards S2 support isn't excluded, and a vast majority of our indicators expect a bearish trend. Next up is the sterling dollar outlook. It seems we can expect correction before price continues in further rise towards next resistance R2, where further rise will probably be limited. But sustained decline below former resistance R1 will focus on daily pivot and may be at the beginning of a downward movement. Based on Axiory's chosen indicators, we can assume a bullish trend. Finally, the outlook for the dollar franc. Price was able to rebound from support S2 and now is heading to support S1. But is probably only a correction and price will continue in a decline towards S3 before reaching this level. But if price rises, it will be able to rise above former support. Next objective will be daily pivot and will be suggesting that rise is in favour. The vast majority of our indicators and chart analysis for the dollar franc show a bearish trend. Just one news for you today, which will be released at 7:45 AM GMT, and it will concern about French industrial production. Its expected rise 0.1% compared to fall by 0.9% in a previous month. Also, medium impact on the euro could be awaited. And before we finish, Axiory brings you a short overview of the best traders on Axiory, giving you the opportunity to join their strategies. First, Glimpsey's strategy for the franc yen continued in rise and added almost 20 pips from Friday, while second, Glimpsey for euro yen rose by 277.7 pips. On the downside, Rikki-Tikki-Tavi strategy fell slightly 8.8 pips to 480.4 pips in total. In multi-trader, FX Multiplier added 0.20% in monthly gain and remained in first place. Second, India Rose also added 0.20%, holding its second position, and in third place, Low Risk Invest added 0.09% to its monthly gain. In the trade leader, we could see a 17% decline in LW trading strategy, and Johnny Jang added 7%. But again on the downside, Whitestone Asset declined, but less than LW Trading, only 9%. And on this date in history, in 1770, Captain James Cook runs aground on the Great Barrier Reef. All of us here wish you a successful and productive day, so until next time, thanks for watching.